Tether reports strong Q3 with $2.5 billion profit. U.S. Treasury holdings top $100 billion. Stablecoin. Tether. The company said it holds $4.9 billion in gold and $4.7 billion in Bitcoin, with its investment arm owning an additional 7,100 Bitcoin. Last updated. November 1, 2024 at 08:20 GMT+2. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. November 1, 2024 at 08:20 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Stablecoin issuer Tether on Thursday announced a $2.5 billion net profit for the third quarter, bringing its year-to-date earnings to $7.7 billion. This pushed the company's equity to a record $14.2 billion this year, it said. Additionally, its USDT circulation reached nearly $120 billion this quarter, marking a 30% increase in tokens released during 2024. Further, Tether reported nearly $120 billion USDT in circulation this quarter, showing a 30% increase in USDT issuance year-to-date. Tether increases excess reserves by 15%. The company also stated that its reserves now exceed $105 billion in cash and equivalents, with $102.5 billion invested in U.S. Treasuries. If Tether were considered a sovereign entity, this amount would place it among the top 18 global holders. Additionally, the stablecoin issuer increased its excess reserve buffer by 15% this year, now totaling over $6 billion. Its gold holdings generated around $1.1 billion in unrealized gains this quarter. Financials show $125.5 billion in assets, $105 billion in cash and $4.9 billion in gold holdings. According to BDO Italy's accounting report, Tether International Limited and Tether Limited disclosed holding $125.5 billion in assets against $119.4 billion in liabilities as of September 30th. This increased Tether's excess reserves backing its stablecoins to over $6 billion. The report noted that $105 billion of the reserve assets were in cash and cash equivalents, with $84.5 billion invested in U.S. Treasury bills. Its total exposure to T-bills, including direct holdings and investments via money market funds and reverse repurchase agreements, topped $102 billion. Additionally, Tether held $4.9 billion in gold and $4.7 billion in Bitcoin, BTC. Tether's investment arm owns an additional 7,100 Bitcoins. CEO dismisses rumors about U.S. probe. In July 2022, Tether started working with BDO Italia for attestations. This move aimed to provide regular updates on the assets backing its USDT tokens. The partnership sought to boost confidence among investors and regulators in the stability and proof of its stablecoin, especially after past controversies over transparency and reserve adequacy. Last week, the Wall Street Journal reported that U.S. federal investigators were looking into Tether for possible violations of sanctions and anti-money laundering laws. In response, CEO Paolo Ardoino dismissed the report, calling it old noise. Follow us on Google News.